Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Mr. Sober Analysis.
Stibo kunjani boy?
Dad.
Sharp mfethu. Today let me start by apologizing.
Yeah.
I wanted to apologize to Kaizer Chiefs fans.
Yeah.
I did swear at them in the past weekend.
Yeah.
After I was emotionally encouraged by my emotions, obviously after the Pirates lost, but I think as fans, we do believe that the emotions can encourage us quickly, but I do apologize. May they find a soft spot in them to forgive me. But Steve, let's start about today's game. I really predicted a draw of a 0-0 because I knew that the teams were going to be afraid of each other, which it was tactically battle. But how do you win it? You win it in the middle field. Like I said in the last time, Miguel Cardoso is a bricklayer, and then there was a boiler maker that was hired at Naturena. He was fired. But Miguel Cardoso is a bricklayer that is never fired in South Africa. He's on his 11th month of his contract, which is good for him, but it's not good for the country. It's not good for Bafana Bafana. I said at Lucas Moripe that with Miguel Cardoso, we are not going anywhere as a country as Bafana Bafana. We struggled against Nigeria. We struggled against the limping Zimbabwe. That means when Bafana Bafana is playing against each other like this, as Pirates, as Sundowns, I'll call them Bafana A and B. Because that's where Hugo Bruce takes most of his players for the national team. But Beras first half, Beras first stanza of the game, whereby the team went pound to pound. But I'll tell you, Miguel Cardoso is more afraid because his youth players were not into the game. He brought all senior players, but that tall man, that guy's great. Tactically, he's here. He went pound to pound with Miguel Cardoso's senior team. With the youngsters. He played very well. They played very well. They carried the game. They managed to equalize against the senior Sundowns team. Young players. Who goes to the national team in that Pirates that plays first half? No one. Only a few of them. But they managed to compete with Sundowns. Stevo, let's go back to second half. Second half, Miguel Cardoso came back. He was too defensive for me. We are going to Stevo. Miguel Cardoso, why Chaba Pirates? Why Chaba? Because I saw him he wanted to stabilize the game. He brought in who? He brought who's this boy from Stellenbosch? Not the Reyners, Adams. He wanted to stabilize and manage the game with Adams. So that's why I saw that Miguel Cardoso is afraid of Pirates. But what a game. I think the fans around here, they're very happy for what they saw, for what they've witnessed today. What a game, and well done to Pirates and Sundowns coaches. They were tactically inclined today and played very nice game.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.